Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Bybit Unified Trading Account. First, open the Bybit website on your browser. Once logged in, click on Assets at the top. Now select the Unified Trading Account. Here, you can see the total equity, margin balance, and unrealized P&L of perpetual and futures. Then click on Convert and you can convert the currencies easily. You'll also get options like Transfer, Transaction Log, Borrow History, and Exchange History. Hit the Check Details button and it'll show you UTA Overview, Margin Mode, Select Collateral, and Risk Warning. On the left panel, click on Unified Trading Account and P&L. It'll show you the graphs of cumulative P&L 0.00 USD and cumulative P&L percent 0.00% USD. If this video is helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.